Hello all, welcome to my channel.
So today our agenda is ingestion of the data from Snowflake to the Fabric via data pipelines. Your data source is here Snowflake and your destination or target is Lakehouse. So if your data is in Snowflake, how we can bring that data to the Fabric, we will see today. So what is Snowflake here? So Snowflake is nothing but here like it's a data warehouse, guys. So it is like a cloud-based data warehouse, I can say. So here many clients they are using Snowflake nowadays, so they can store the data, they can process the data, they can able to analyze the data. It is like a database or data warehouse, I can say. So my data is in Snowflake. Now I want to bring that data, so I am here in my Fabric. Now let me take one new data pipeline, click on get data, new data pipeline. Now pl underscore Snowflake, I can say, click on create. So the moment when you click on create now, it will create one pipeline and it will give you one window here. Now I want to select my Snowflake. So in the home, I don't have any. So if you want to take the Snowflake now, you can click on new and you can select. Even from this home also, if you can search also, it will give you, guys. So even you don't need to go to new also. From home also, if you search now, it will give you that Snowflake data source. Now let me take that Snowflake. Now here my server name and warehouse I want to take. So let me go to my Snowflake account. I will show you guys how to create the Snowflake free account also for your practice purpose. Don't worry about that. So, okay, now let me take that server name from this Snowflake. So if you just scroll down, here we have one option that is admin. If you want to account now, just come here and select this accounts. Directly it will open, even you don't need to go to the admin also. So just come here and select your accounts. Now here 3 dots, manage URLs, and here you have that server URL. Don't take everything, just exclude till this slash and take from this one. This point you have to take. This is one option to get your server name. But recently what I observed for one of our clients, I have worked on Snowflake. That is my even current project. So what I observed is they have not given me the account admin access. They have given me some sysadmin or something other. So when I try to take this URL from this admin and account place, it is not even opening for me because of least privilege. So this is one option to take your URL. And the second option is here. If you can come to your account here, the bottom left corner, okay, just click on this and open this account. Okay, view account details. Here also you will get that account, this one, service URL. From here also you can able to get that. But the thing is here it is giving all caps, all the capital letters, but you have to take the lowercase here. So even though after copying it, no, you can just change it to the lowercase. If you take directly the uppercase, our pipeline will give you error. It will not identify the capital letters of this Snowflake service URL because it is taking the case sensitive of our pipeline. The pipeline is considering as the case sensitive for the Snowflake especially. That's why I would suggest you, even though if you take it from this place, then you can just convert this into lowercase. So this is also one option. Now let me take from here only. So since this is the lowercase now, I'll take from this one, Control C. Now go to your pipeline and copy it. You can try with capital letters also, and you can let me know whether it allowed or it given error like that. So now warehouse name I want to give. Now let me go to here. Now let me open one worksheet. Let me go to home and I'll open one worksheet here. So here after opening this worksheet now, if you see here we have that warehouse name compute underscore WH. That is my compute at this moment. Let me take this one only. It is depends upon your client, like the compute one, if they want us to use the other compute also, you can use the other compute. So that they will let you know, guys, which compute I can use. So they will let you know that. So at this moment, let me take this one. So compute underscore tab. Now it is asking the connection name. Let me give Snowflake connection, I can say. Now authentication kind it is giving two. One is Snowflake, second one is Microsoft account. Let me take Snowflake only. Now username and password, I will tell you guys, while creating your free trial account now, it will ask you to give username and password. To set up your username and password, that we have to give. So at this moment now, I'll give my username is admin 2025 and password is admin. Click on next. So we will see whether it will allow you or it will give an error. So yeah, it is allowing us to take the data from Snowflake. Now it is loading the databases, whatever we have in that particular server. So yeah, we have these many. So let me take from DemoDB and click on next. Now it is giving tables and query option. Now I want to select the tables only. So that's why I'll take table. If you want to take query also, you can click on query and you can click here. You can write here your query. Whatever the business logic you have now, you can simply give that business logic of the query and you can click on next, so that it will copy the resultant of that query. The data which is coming from that query, that will copy to your fabric. But I don't want to give query here. You people can try. Now I'll take the tables only. Let me take the tables. Even you can able to search from here, search button. So what I will do, I'll just take employee data, some order items and some customers. Let me take these three tables and we will see. Now click on next. Now I have taken three tables. So it is asking, do you want to load it to tables or file session? To the load to the existing table or new table? I want to load it to the table session only, because even though if I load to file session, at the end of the day, I want to use tables only to create Power BI reports and all, right? I want to convert the data into Delta Parquet only. Then only I can able to use that tables in the future purpose, for the future purpose in Fabric. That's why I don't want to load it to the file session. I want to load it to the tables only. Now, do you want to load to the existing table or new table? I don't have any tables there in my Fabric with these names. First time I'm loading, so that's why I want to load it to the new table only. Let it be. Now this is the mapping. If in this mapping, if it is any error, means it will give you that error. So I think the mapping is good. We will see. And I'll check for the remaining tables also. So yeah, and the next table. So these three tables I have taken the three tables and I'm just clicking on the next button. Now it is asking enable the staging. So if I remove it now, if I click on next now, it will give you that direct copying data from Snowflake is only supported when copying into Azure Blob. It means either you have to maintain the external data staging or internal data staging. Otherwise, it is not allowing you to do that. Okay, so that's why I'll just click on enable. Now, if I click on external, it will ask you the storage account connection here. ADLS or blob storage, it will ask the connection. I don't want to use any external data sources or any external items here. I want to keep everything within the workspace. Let it be. Now I will click on next. Now it is showcasing like this. Now I will click on save and run. Now the moment when I click on save and run now, instead of the copy data activity, for each activity is created here if you see. But earlier if you remember, so let me say okay. So before clicking on OK, just want to discuss one more thing here. So if you take one single table now guys, copy data activity will create and it will copy your single table from your source to the destination. But if you remember, I have taken three tables here from the source, and because of the three tables, one for each activity has been created here, and within that for each, one more activity is there, that is copy data activity. If you see here, so it means what for each will do, we will discuss about for each in the future classes in detail guys, don't worry, just to give one line. So for each here, we will use for each to iterate multiple items to the next activity. So what it will do, for each will take multiple instructions or multiple tables or multiple items from first activity, and it will pass one by one sequential to the next activity. That's why, since we have taken multiple tables instead of one table, for each has automatically created here. This is one good feature in the fabric, I can say. The same thing if you want to do in ADF or in the old traditional systems, no, you have to create the for each. Before this for each, you have to create one config table. I will tell you what config table and all, don't worry, in the upcoming classes. So you have to create one lookup activity for the config table. And after that, you have to create for each and you have to create copy data. Everything you have to do manually by your own. So there you have to do everything by your own. But here, no, what I did, I simply selected my required tables. That's it. It is automatically taken that via for each and via copy data activity, and even it is created the parameters also here automatically. And it is asking us, can you click on OK so that I will run. I mean, that is the good feature in the fabric. Now let me click on OK. Now this pipeline will run and it will copy the data. If mapping and everything is good, if the data types are matching or supporting in the fabric, means it will copy the data, or else it will give error. It will throw the error, whatever the table. If you have any issue with the one table, no, it will give you that error. Let me do that. I mean, let it run, then we will see. My pipeline got success. It ran successfully. Now let me go to my lake house now, and let me just refresh it. Now it is coming under unidentified. That's okay. Now if you see, I have public underscore customers, public underscore employee data, and public underscore order items. These three tables I have taken via pipeline from Snowflake.
Thank you, guys. If you have any questions, please post in the comments. I will try to give answers. Please do subscribe my channel and do remember, with the right data, every challenge has a solution.